We're back due to unpopular demand, and for this episode of Eating with Loredoman, we have traveled all the way to Italy! Why Italy, you say? Why, it is home to some of the most historical figures of our time. Pinocchio, Arthur Fonzarelli, and of course the most influential Italian historical figure of our time,
the Italian Stallion,
Rocky Balboa. So join me here in Italy while I make for you my very special dish, Italian crustless pizza. Buongiorno, grazie. Bada boom, forget about it. You know, it just occurred to me that I forgot all my cooking stuff back in the States, so I'm just gonna have to take a couple of hours just to fly back there. We'll just have to do this thing at home.
Thank you for being a friend.
Well, it's good to be back in the States, I'll tell you that. Ooh, long trip. But you know what? Just so I'm sure what I'm doing, I'm gonna check Alexa. Oh, Alexa, how do you say pizza in Italian?
Pizza in Italian is pizza.
Let's get cooking. See, you gotta prep because we're making this meatless thing. So there you go. Oh yeah, that's a lot, okay? Then you take this. You take this. So then after you drop the sausage in the pan, you gotta press it down. We gotta put these things in the oven for 20 minutes. Oven has been preset to 450. Now, we wait.
20 minutes later.
I'm gonna pull it. Ow. I'm gonna pull this out of here. Pull this out of here. Yes. Oh, it's just like a big pan of sausage, and honestly, I could just eat this. And now we're gonna do some toppings.
Nope. First, dab.
No. Oh, wait, what?
You have to dab off.
I have to what?
Dab off the grease.
Did someone say dab? Yeah. I guess I gotta just dab. Just good, it's good, but man, oh man, I could just eat this right now. Woo! So now we gotta top it?
Top it.
With what?
Bacon? Gotta get that bacon! Smoky bacon, crispy bacon, tasty bacon! Yummy, crunchy bacon, bacon, bacon!
Five minutes later.
Ooh, looking good. All right. And there you have it. This is the crustless pizza. No bread, no crust. It's just all meat and cheese, and I put vegetables on mine so that I could at least have some roughage and fiber. Oh yeah, look at that. And guess what? Laura's gonna have to clean this up. Uh-huh.
Oh, and before I forget, no skateboarding, bicycling, or rollerblading. That means you, my cartman,